Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is gonna be my channel named Tech Help. So I'll show you guys how to do like a bunch of stuff related to tech. So what we're gonna do in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your own exe using 7-zip. So what you wanna do is first of all you need to make what you want your folder to have. So I'm just gonna look through my local disk. Let's see if we can find anything that I want maybe you guys to download. So I'm just gonna make my own. So I'm just gonna make a txt name like and sub. There we go. Now what you want to do is right click on it and go to 7-zip and go to add to archive. Next what you want to do is name it whatever you want. And now what you want to do is click create SFX archive, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Click OK. You can go here and it will ask you to extract. So let's extract it now. So it's extracted to something named let's go here and click make new folder, click OK, and then click extract, and then you'll see that the folder gets new files, and our files in here. So I'm gonna name it like and sub, and then let's just save that. Just save and click X again, and now we don't need this because we have it all saved in our like and sub exe. So I will be making another one so you guys can try it out. So yeah, thank you for watching my first video. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.